Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the HP Radio Manager 64DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. As we prepare to fix HP Radio Manager 64 manually, consider the professional maintenance path for a more stable workstation. This is the HP Radio Manager 64, the 64-bit HP radio management library responsible for controlling hardware wireless toggles and airplane mode functionality on HP laptops. It interfaces with firmware-level controls and hotkey drivers. If missing or corrupted, wireless hotkeys may stop responding, sometimes leaving the system stuck in airplane mode. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. This error points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows system binaries. I recommend running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to verify the integrity of protected files like HP Radio Manager 64, DLL, and restore stability. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the HP Radio Manager 64 file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If the library remains missing, you should manually clear the program's cache and then download the latest build from the developer's website. Removing the old application data before running the new setup ensures that your DLL file is correctly placed in the root directory without interference from legacy files. Why are we doing this? Well, many applications will try to use existing local data even after a reinstall, and manually clearing the folders forces the software to establish a fresh connection to its dependencies. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Be aware that manual fixes for HP Radio Manager 64 DLL often create more problems than they solve. Incorrect file versions can cause cascading crashes across other applications, making your PC significantly less stable than before. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. Review options for improving responsiveness and system safety by consulting the repair resource linked below for HP Radio Manager 64. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored HP Radio Manager 64 functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support